Hello from Slovenia again. So this is a live auction preview. My auction will be on February 12 on my YouTube channel at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and some of my paintings still need to be varnished. So those are, I will start with these ones. Those are little ones, 6 by 10 and 8 by 8. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and starting bid will be $20. And this is the first one with, you know, these straw blown flowers, and this is the second one. That I did with a blow dryer or something. And these two probably belong together. Not probably. No, not like this. Sorry. No. Could be diptych, or they could be both by themselves. And this flower dip on the white gold background. This is not varnished yet. This one is not varnished, and this one is done with color shift paints. It goes from purples to greens to blues, kind of bloom or something. I don't know what I did. And this, for those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, those are the smaller ones. And now let's go to the 10 by 10s. This one is so interesting. Sorry for a glare, because you see this one is varnished and it has a lot of glare. It's raining outside. I thought that I will do this outside. So starting bid for these 10 by 10s will be $30. And this one with those with this cute flower here in the middle, this one is not varnished yet. And this one is done with gold and iridescence too. And I have only 3 reverse flower dips, so sorry for the glare. See, this one is varnished, so this one has rose gold and pearl background, and this one I will show them up close on my auction, so I just want to give you some impression what you will be able to see in this auction. So those were all 10 by 10s, and starting bid for those will be $30. And just want to talk about shipping. Only fast shipping will be available, because we have a problem with this standard post, and I don't have tracking number and nothing, so it's just not okay. So shipping costs are $30. So this is the first batch, and now I will bring some bigger ones and show you those. I forgot, I have one more 10 by 10, this penguin painting, that it's still in the other range of $30, and those are I have 1, 2, 3 paintings that are 10 by 12, and these 3 are, starting bid is $35. This is the forest, hinged forest that I did, and these blown flowers that I did in one of my life, and one of those kind of cloud pours. And now I will move to 12 by 12s, and starting bid for those is $40. This one is one with the garnet and this iridescent blue-green here, and some gold. It's just beautiful. And the glare again, it's so hard because of the glare, but I just couldn't go outside because of the rain. And the next one is this one with this deep sapphire and some 24 karat gold. It's beautiful, and this one is probably one of my favorites, with some iridescent blue-green. You see it goes from blue to green and orange, just beautiful. And this one has a lot of, I didn't do this one on camera, but still I find it really interesting, so maybe some of you will like this one too. And this one with split cup with this quinacridone orange and turquoise and yellow, and this one is with a lot of gold cells and some purple cells. I love this one, and some reds. And this gentle one with these gentle flowers here in the middle. So all those 12 by 12s are, starting bid is $40. And now I have a few more 12 by 12 and some bigger ones, and this last batch will be the last one. So these two 12 by 12 are the last two paintings with starting bid $40. This giraffe painting and the other one with the same colors with the kind of ring pour. I don't know, maybe it should be hanged like this, I don't know. So these two were the last one, and now I have three gallery wrapped 12 by 12 canvases, and starting bid for those are $50. This one is really pretty too, with all those lines and this, I don't know, I love this one. And one of my favorites again, with this iridescent blue-green and copper. As I said already, I will show you more close-up on the auction. And the last one is this one with this color shift paints that are just gorgeous too. So starting bid for these three is $50, and I have two 12 by 16s with cells, and starting bid for these two is $60. This one is on the turquoise background with some gold and red and greenish blue. Just, it's so nice. And this one that was inspired by Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, with some copper cells, gold cells, purple cells and browns. Just beautiful. So these are these two, and the last two are 12 by 20 inch canvas, and starting bid for those two is $70. So this was a rainbow dustpan pour, if you remember it. So really beautiful lines in there. And this one was my collaboration with Gail, and I call this Fantastical Creature because she does these Fantastical Creature paintings and has a lot of metallics in there that shines really nice, and the whole painting is beautiful for my taste. So this is about it, just to have an impression what you can buy. As I said, live auction will be on February 12, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will tell starting bids on the auction too, and you will have 2 minutes, and the higher bid will win. And shipping costs for all of those paintings, all sizes, fit to the price of $30. So I hope that you will find something for yourself. I have to say that I love quite a lot of those paintings that I have, but I just can't have them all. So you can have a piece of me on your wall too. So if you want to buy one of my pieces, this is one of my pieces, this is the opportunity for you. And hope that I will see you on my auction on Friday, and have a nice day. See you. Bye.